Disappointing, and we're not happy about it. Probably we were experienced, and maybe also we were not that clever in the last minute of the game. We were leading. We did very well in the first half. Strategically, what we wanted to do worked for us in the first half. Even though we didn't score, we were not too bothered because we knew somehow we'll get a chance and we'll have to, be there to score. It was poor in the last 15 minutes. Based on the fact that he was a home-based player, they know him, the fans supported him. We could have our opinion and the reasons why we did that. We're looking to attack more. We're looking to look for a counter-attack situation. We didn't want him to do much defensive, so we put him up front. But of course, he didn't work. But he showed good signs and signs of him being dangerous in some occasions, which was. But I think it's got nothing to do with the change. I think it's something to do with the way we defended. Well. And we're keeping our line. It wouldn't be a problem because honestly, this time around, I think the team were very disciplined. Very disciplined. In the first half, the things we talked about worked. They did perfectly the same. I was so impressed with some of the boys. And of course, some of them need to catch up. But like I said, the last 20 minutes of the game, we or maybe more, we were too deep. We could not also play as we played in the first half in terms of possession. I mean, yes, they equalized. I don't want to talk about officiating. The way they scored the second goal was poor defensive work from us. I'm not happy, but they were positives. I need to encourage them to believe in themselves. Those who were poor, I will openly tell them it was not satisfying because on and on, we'll keep doing the same mistakes, and I think we will have to improve. If we want to do well in the league, then games like that, you need to take a point. You need to take a point, and I understand the situation. It's not a comfortable one.